What are the dangers of Arctic oil exploration? Imagine drilling for oil in a place where the environment is already under stress from climate change. The Arctic is a fragile region with unique wildlife and icy landscapes. Extracting oil there can cause serious problems. First, the ecosystems are very sensitive. The Arctic is home to polar bears, seals, whales, and many fish species. When companies set up drilling rigs and pipelines, they disturb these habitats. Noise from machinery can scare animals away from feeding and breeding areas. Pollution from spills or leaks can poison the water and land, harming both wildlife and local communities. Spills are especially dangerous because Arctic conditions make cleanup very difficult. The cold temperatures slow down the natural breakdown of oil. When oil gets trapped under ice, it becomes nearly impossible to clean up. Oil that remains in the environment can last 4 decades, causing long-term damage. The presence of sea ice and harsh weather makes response efforts even more complicated. Another major concern is how oil exploration impacts the climate. The Arctic is warming about 4 times faster than the rest of the world. Extracting and burning fossil fuels adds greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, which worsens global warming. Infrastructure like roads and drilling sites can cause permafrost to thaw. When permafrost melts, it releases stored carbon dioxide and methane, both of which are greenhouse gases. This creates a feedback loop that accelerates climate change and threatens the Arctic's role as a natural climate regulator. Pollution from oil activities also affects local people. Oil leaks, gas flaring, and waste discharges pollute the land and water. This damages ecosystems and makes it harder for indigenous communities to hunt, fish, and gather food. Their traditional ways of life are at risk because of contamination and habitat loss. Shipping traffic increases with oil exploration too. Large ships carry equipment and supplies, but they also add noise, pollution, and risk of accidents. Collisions with marine mammals like whales are a real danger. Invasive species can also be introduced by ships, disrupting the native ecosystem. All these factors show that Arctic oil exploration is not just about finding oil. It can cause lasting harm to the environment, wildlife, local communities, and the global climate. The harsh conditions make managing these dangers even more challenging, and the long-term effects could be devastating for the polar regions.